Hello, today is the last day of March, and I just wanted to make a quick video about creating lasting multiple streams of income. Imagine waking up knowing that even while you slept, your money was working for you. Building wealth, creating freedom, and giving you the peace of mind sounds like a dream, right? Well, today I'm going to show you how to turn that dream into reality by creating multiple streams of income that can last a lifetime. By the end of this video, you have actionable strategies to diversify your income and unlock financial freedom. Set expectations about how to pay yourself first every single week. In this video, we'll cover different methods from investing to basically, different streams of income. Let's just go ahead and get started in the video. The first one is basically if you've got a job, working 9 to 5 or wherever, it's probably one of the most important aspects, having a steady stream of income. Everyone knows how important your job is, paying your bills. But paying yourself first, always investing that money. Don't leave it laying around, putting money into stocks. Very, very important. Economics 101, always have your money invested and never lose money. Always have your money working for you. I teach the FIRE movement. Basically put 50% of your money in investments. Whether it's passive income, you can have, affiliate marketing is another great idea. Promote products online and earn commissions. Platforms like Amazon Associates make it easy to get started. You get digital products, create ebooks, templates, or online courses. Once made, they can be sold repeatedly without additional work. Rental properties. Invest in real estate or rent out unused space like spare rooms or parking spots. Print on demand, custom merch, and let third-party services handle production and shipping. You can check out JoshDeLozierInvestments. I've got mugs on there right now. We'll be adding t-shirts and hoodies here soon. Other active streams of income, side businesses are really an easy way to make nice money, something that you're interested in. Start freelancing or sell handmade goods online through platforms like Shopify. Having a YouTube channel, share your expertise and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and memberships. Click on the referral link in the comments below. You can get $40 worth of free cryptocurrency from Coinbase and a free stock from Webull. Can't go wrong right there. Next, we got blogging. You can write content on topics you love and earn through affiliate links or ad revenue. Then, probably my expertise is talking about investment strategies. I talk a lot about growth stocks, but also dividend stocks are really important if you're more conservative or if you're a senior. To earn regular payouts from companies. Dividend stocks are excellent passive income stream. Then we got ETFs. Diversify your portfolio with low-cost funds that track market performance. You got peer-to-peer lending. Lend money online and earn interest as borrowers repay loan. So, that there's just a few income ideas. Also, there's other ideas. If you like to rent out properties, I used to rent out properties. This house right here that I'm in right now, I used to rent out for every single week. That's easy money coming in. it's something that a lot of people like to do if you're not really into stocks, real estate. If you buy some properties up, you can make a nice steady stream of income right there. Downside is it requires a lot more of your time. You've got to always repair damage. So that's why I personally prefer stocks. Your time is also something that should be looked at as important as money, because you only got 24 hours in a day. It's like Robert Kiyosaki says, rich people buy time, poor people sell time. There's really nothing more truer than that ever been said. And then also billboards, renting out billboards, excellent idea. It's another nice passive stream of income. I have 3 billboards that I used to rent out. Still rent out 2 currently, and those right there are always nice to have. Plus, if I want to use them for my own advertisements, it's another great way to go. So always have your money in assets. Those are something that's extremely important and definitely worth your time. Then if you got hobbies like sports cards, those right there pay really well. Michael Jordan rookies, back in the day, were $1,000, and now they're trading for over $5,000 plus, depending on if they're graded. That's another nice investment. Or if you collect art or coins, whatever you collect and enjoy doing, that's a nice hobby to have. Make sure you get a hobby that pays. That's the way I've always looked at it. If I'm gonna spend my time with something, I'm gonna make sure I get paid, doing it. Just makes it that much more fun. Then other than that, we've got you can have vending machines. A lot of people like renting out, like putting up vending machines at local stores and just making money off transactions. There's Bitcoin ATMs. I think they're making around 7%, which is a ton of money to be making off transactions. So those right there are, you can set them up in your local mall or right at a gas store even. It's easy way to make extra income. I appreciate everyone watching this video. As always, hit the like and follow button, trying to get this account monetized. I've got a TikTok live that's on Monday through Friday, 7:30 to 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Be sure to check it out. We sit and talk about stocks all day. It's JoshDeLozierInvestments on TikTok. Also, I'm on Facebook as well as Twitter, and you can go JoshDeLozierInvestments.com to get a free mug right now. Still constructing the site. Help people work on their 401ks, IRAs. Basically work with their investments. If this video has helped you, please hit the like and follow button. And if you'd like me to cover any topics in particular in the future, be sure to leave in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to include them in my next video. Usually I'm talking about stocks, and my last video was 5 stocks that are underperforming in the market right now that are great, that present a great buying opportunity. It was Google, also down today. Nvidia is trading at 105. Got to invest in Nvidia. I made $48,000 this year off of Nvidia stock alone. Can't really go wrong there. Just wrapped up the Webull Challenge this year. It was a lot of fun. Went to New York. Also reviewed some restaurants up there. A lot of fun. Had an amazing time. Definitely looking forward to go back. Also, last but not least, incorporate your business. You know, a lot of people always think about making money, but you got to look at protecting your money. And starting a business is a great way to do that. You know, whether it's S corp or LLC. So those are just a few ideas. I'll make another video next week. I hope everyone has a very profitable week. And check out my live if you get a chance. Have a great day.